Hey, what's going on, guys? Untitled Chapter here, and welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber. And if you are new here, what I do is I make fragrance related content such as unboxings, reviews, first impressions, weekly fragrance rotations, and things like that. And if any of that stuff interests you at all, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I'd really appreciate it. But in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title above, we're actually doing a very special unboxing, guys. And the unboxing we're gonna be doing today is from the house of Joe Malone. And the fragrance I got here is actually Oud Bergamot. Now, Oud Bergamot is probably my favorite from the house when I actually smell like all of them. Oud Bergamot pretty much stood out the most to me. How I got this is I actually got this with, if you spend $100 from their website, they actually gave you a free complimentary fragrance or hair mist or candle. And they would actually change, but the fragrance I got for free was actually Oud Bergamot. And I did purchase Myrrh and Tonka, which was sort of a blind buy. I don't really remember what it smelled like, but I did already do an unboxing of that fragrance. You can go check it out. That should go before this one. But it actually worked out since Oud Bergamot was free, and that was the one that I would have bought to begin with. So I actually had options of what other fragrance I actually wanted to purchase. So I went with Myrrh and Tonka. But Oud Bergamot, this is just a fantastic fragrance, guys. So let's open this package up. As you can see, here is the Joe Malone box. Very nice presentation. It comes with like this nice cream finish. It's actually a pretty thick cardboard as well. And of course you got that nice ribbon. There's nothing on the back of the box or on the bottom or the top. So let's take this ribbon off. I'm just gonna slide it off. I don't wanna rip it or anything like that. All right, and the box just pops up like so. And then in there it sits a nice like black tissue paper, of course, protect the product. And there you go, guys. There is the Oud Bergamot. Now I did get the 50 milliliter size just because they were offering it for free, the 50 mil, and I also bought the 50 mil Myrrh and Tonka because I like my fragrances to be pretty organized as far as the sizes go. So yeah, here is the bottle of Oud Bergamot, guys. It's like a nice black tinted bottle there. You can still see the juice inside though. Then you have that nice silver plaque kind of thing on the front. And then on top, you have this cool cap. Now the cap does not click in place, it kind of slides on, but it does slide on very snugly, so you can still pick it up by the cap, which is always good. And then on top of the atomizer, there is nothing. And then the bottom of the bottle, you do have your batch code and barcode to, of course, authenticate your product and see when it was produced. So let's see here. So I do smell it a tiny bit out of the cap. Oh man, now this fragrance, guys, is probably, honestly, one of the most addicting fragrances I've ever smelled. I did have a little sample of it that I recently just ran out of, so it was like perfect timing to actually get a full-size bottle of it. But I would literally just crave to smell this fragrance, guys. I'm not even kidding. Like when I would wear something else, some days I would just crave this fragrance here. So I'm so excited to have this in my collection to wear it whenever I want. And obviously 50 mil will last me quite a long time with the collection I have behind me. But yeah, let's do a first spray and impression of this. Now, on the other arm, I do actually have Joe Malone's Myrrh and Tonka, which is also a fantastic scent. Go check that first impression out. So I'm gonna spray this on my right arm here. Let's see. All right, so one spray, nothing. Two spray, there we go. Now the sprayer is pretty good. Doesn't shoot out the biggest mist, kind of like a Creed or anything like that, but does the job. Wow, guys, and I smell it already out on my arm. Whew. Wow, okay, it's just so incredible, guys. So incredible, wow. So it opens up with like a nice bergamot citrus fragrance, but you do pick up on that oud immediately, guys. Wow, that is so good. I believe it also has cedarwood in there, so I do love cedarwood as well. And yeah, I do pick up on all those notes, guys. And this is just a sophisticated fragrance. This is also unisex as well, so both a man and a woman could wear it, I suppose. But I mean, it's so good. Yeah, I don't know if I like this more than the other fragrance. I might do a comparison of the two Myrrh and Tonka and Oud Bergamot if you guys are curious about that, see which one I like more. But this is also in eau de cologne concentration, so what that means is it is the lowest of the fragrance oils as far as concentration goes. You go like eau de cologne, eau de toilette, eau de parfum, and then extract de parfum. So this is at the bottom of the list there, but Usually eau de colognes actually project more, but they don't last as long. That's normally what happens. Of course, you do have different kind of notes that can vary. But with this fragrance here, guys, when I had that sample and I would wear it, it actually lasted pretty well. I mean, I would smell it around my scent bubble throughout the day, and that's just incredible, guys. I'm so happy with this fragrance. Wow. Now I can say, honestly, you can pretty much wear this all year round. It is very versatile in my opinion, which is very nice for an oud, because usually ouds are darker, more for like fall and winter. But this oud here is probably one of the only ouds, well, it's not the only oud, but probably one of the only ouds in the world that you can actually pull off in the spring and summer months. It's actually pretty fresh fragrance. But the oud is present for sure, but I think the bergamot and stuff balances very well with this product, guys. I'm so happy to have this in my collection. This is a must-have, in my opinion, from the Jo Malone line here. And this is, like I said, from the Cologne Intense, so it should last longer. I don't know if like Cologne Intense, so it is eau de cologne, but it might be like a little bit, tiny bit more than just an eau de cologne, varying from eau de cologne and eau de toilette. So I think that's what they did there. But if you guys want to know, like the retail price for this is 130 bucks for the 50 mil and $190 for the 100 mil. So that is the pricing. It is pretty steep, but of course it is a niche brand, and you do get that quality, in my opinion. This will also be a crowd pleaser, sorta. It is niche, but I can see a lot of people liking this fragrance and enjoying it, and probably complimenting you as well if they get a whiff of it when you walk by. It is just so pleasant, guys. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up my first impression and unboxing of Jo Malone's Oud and Bergamot. Let me know if you guys tried this or sampled it or anything like that. I'm curious of you guys' opinion and see how it performed on you guys as well. But if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big like, subscribe down below if you guys have not already, and I'll see all you guys in the next fragrance video. Take care, everybody.